Welcome to Technia TV. I am Jagrati Basera, faculty of BJMC from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on radio jockeying and news reading. Today's topic is use and the types of music. The popularity of radio is largely because of the variety and the range of the music and the artists featured. With the introduction of FM service, quality music broadcasts, both from the point of variety and the technical excellence, have become possible. Significance of music in radio are music adds color and life to any spoken words program. Music can break monotony. Music is used to give the desired effects of happy or unhappy situation, fear or joy. Music can suggest scene and locations. So if we talk about the formats of music programs, a variety of formats are used in the music programs. The important among them are music concerts, vocal and instrumental. These can be solo, duet or group performance as in the case of stage concert. Broadcasting has some special formats such as film music, music magazines, musical features and operas, etc. If we talk about the film music, the most popular music broadcast over the radio is film music, which attracts a large percentage of listeners. Many interesting film-based programs are broadcast which include thematic songs slugs by one artist, songs of one music director, duets, song of different periods, latest film hits, etc. Vivid Bharati devotes considerable time for broadcast of film songs by involving listeners also. To keep up with certain broadcasting ethics, film songs are screened before broadcast to check virality or idea that make hurt sentiments of certain section of the society. This is very unique, but the music magazine is the word is defined as a periodical publication or broadcasting containing article, story, poem by various people. The content of the magazine generally have different formats, stories, poem, experience, etc. A poem magazine contains 4 to 5 items which may include interview with an immense musicians and experts from various music festivals, a straight talk on a relevant topic of music, a quiz program on lyrics, composer, rags, etc., or a feature on some aspect of music. While preparing a music magazine, the certain points need to be carefully considered, such as the item includes should be crisp, lively, and the duration should not be very long. The linking line should be interesting, natural, and hold the magazine together. The narrator may be the same person for each edition of the magazine to give a specific identity to the program. Next is music lesson. Music lesson play a very important role in educating listeners. Many serious students of music listen to such a lesson, record them and try to learn by way of new compositions or rag. The producer selects a teacher and the students, and a session of classroom music teaching is arranged in the studio in a very natural setup. The teacher selects a song, give an introduction to the rag, name of the composer and the scale of the rag, etc. The students sitting in front of him and her ask questions to clarify their doubts and repeat whatever the teaching sings. Next is music concert. In a music concert as on stage, the artist is very important before the audience. She or he can build a rapport with the audience requirement and present the program accordingly. The artist has an advantage of audience appreciation on the spot. She and he can take some liberty with respect to the duration, also depending on the audience response. In contrast, a radio performer does not have the advantages of immediate audience response. The items of presentation include their duration are discussed and finalized in advance and strictly adhered to. Now we come to the special types of music. There are certain other types of music which are required for use and incorporation in non-musical program. These are referred to a title music, subjective music and bridge music. So we go through the first signature tune which is also known as title music. Title music or a signature tune is a piece of music played before a program which establishes the identity of the program. It conveys the style of the program and establishes the mood and ambience to attract the listeners. The title music creates an aura that suits the subject of broadcast. Signature tune of a sport program will be distinctly different from all other culture and business program. As similar, the use of Western music in respect of the culture program devoted to different region of India will be totally out of place. Now we come to the subjective music. The music broadcast over radio reflects the feeling, mood, like and dislike of the listeners. Subjective music is played to bring out or add to a particular mood. It is the skill on the part of composer to create or make the situation more effective by music. Next is bridge music, a small piece of music that is played between one sequence and the other to maintain continuity or establish change over passing from one scene to another, is known as bridge music. It is mainly used in plays and feature, etc. So that's all for today. Hope you liked it and please subscribe Technia TV. Thank you and have a nice day.